Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve heating problem on Oppo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here first of all you have to move on is the apps. Okay, you just check from here the apps which one you don't use. Okay, suppose I do not use the Prime Video. Okay, just scroll, you just need to press it. Okay, just press for the 3 seconds and move on this app info. Okay, just move on app info. After you have been moved on app info, you just move on storage usage. After you have been moved on storage usage, just click on clear data and click on OK. You have to clear data of all the apps like this. Okay, which one you don't use. Okay, just clear all the data from all the apps that it's not important for you. Okay, move on app info and move on this storage. After that, just click on clear data. Okay, just click on OK. By doing this one will be solve your heating problem. Okay, and another solution I'm going to tell you is the you just move on the WhatsApp setting. After you have been moved on WhatsApp setting, just move on storage and data. After you have been moved on storage and data, just off the automatic turning on. Okay, automatic download photos, download videos, download document, you just turn off that one. Okay, another is I'm going to tell you just move on the Play Store. After you have been moved on Play Store, just click on this profile. Okay, after you have been click on profile, you have to move on this setting. Here is the setting. So after that, move on this network preferences. Then here also auto update apps, so just click on the don't auto update button, click. And here also don't auto play audio, so you have to click on don't. Okay, when you ask only there will be permissions, so neither, just click on done. Okay, if you don't need, so this do it will solve your problem. Okay, heating problem. So friends, I hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.